Hey everyone, today I want to talk about something that's been buzzing around the political circles lately: internal struggles within the ruling party of Zimbabwe, ZANU-PF. So, during a ZANU-PF Politburo meeting held at the party's headquarters in Harare, President Emmerson Mnangagwa issued a stern warning to his party members about public infighting and social media disputes. Now, this isn't just your typical political drama. It highlights some serious rising tensions within the party as factions are vying for influence and power. Mnangagwa's message was clear. He said, and I quote, "unruly elements who are abusing various media platforms to cause alarm and despondency, while also sowing disunity and advancing misguided, nefarious political agendas within the country and party, stand warned." This shows how internal conflicts are spilling into public view, potentially damaging the party's image and unity. The president didn't just stop there. He challenged ZANU-PF members to actively combat any statements or actions that distort the party's revolutionary principles. He said, "I challenge the party to resolutely oppose statements and actions that undermine or distort our correct line of the revolution." The emphasis here is on solidarity and coherence in the party's messaging. Now let's dive a bit deeper. Mnangagwa elaborated on the stakes involved, warning against any behavior that jeopardizes national interests. He declared, "All moves to damage the interests of the people of our great motherland, tamper with our unity, social harmony, development interest, sovereignty, security, and overall national stability should be decisively dealt with." This is a pretty strong statement, and it goes to show how serious he is about maintaining order and unity within the party. These remarks come at a time when divisions within ZANU-PF have become increasingly apparent. Factions are using social media platforms to air their grievances and disputes, which is really putting the party's internal struggles on full display for everyone to see. So, what does this mean moving forward? Mnangagwa's ability to address these internal divisions and present a united front will be crucial, not just for the upcoming elections but also for the party's long-term stability. It's clear that the president is trying to reassert control and refocus the party on shared goals. But whether or not his call for unity will be heeded remains to be seen. One thing's for sure though, the eyes of both the nation and the international community will be closely watching how this unfolds. Alright, that's it for today's update. If you found this insightful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more deep dives into political happenings around the world. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one.